Here's a pair of AirPods or the AirPods Pro. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a MacBook or Apple computer via Bluetooth. First thing is we want to go to the Bluetooth settings. There's several ways you can do this. Okay, you can go to the control center, like right up here, go to Bluetooth, or we can just simply go to the Apple icon right there, click on that, and we're going to go to system settings right there. From here, we're going to go ahead and choose Bluetooth right here. So we're going to go down to Bluetooth right there. And now we're going to put this in the pairing mode, and we should see it under here, under nearby devices. Okay, so in order to put these in the pairing mode, I'm going to go ahead and open these up, and there's a button, one button back here. Okay, so it's open, the buds are in here. I'm going to press and hold, and I'm going to keep holding until the light starts blinking white right there. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Now we got to go up here and just wait for, oh, it already showed up. AirPods Pro right down there. Let me go ahead and go down here, click on connect. All right. And now you can see that we are connected right there. If you have an issue where you couldn't connect or pair, you have some other kind of connection issues, you can always reset these. If you need to reset these, look in the description for the link. Good luck.